All right, how everybody doing this wonderful Wednesday midweek day, and this green coming in again with the market breakdown. It looks like the market is kind of slowing down, cooling off a bit, and I just want to give an update on this ADA. Since I called it the other day, it broke it broke up, and now it looks like it's retesting here. It's already typically these tokens are pulled to certain levels. We saw it test this level at 155. It broke up all the way to $1.82. I think I got in at 172. Uh, Here we're on a trend line, so it looks like it's in a dip. If it breaks below this trend line, it could go to this area at $1.63. Um, but for the most part, we in a good place. You can hold out to maybe try to get in at $1.60, $1.63 area right in this region here before it takes off again. That's what I'm expecting. But like I said, right now we're in the midst of a real bullish cycle in altcoins. So we can expect a lot of these tokens not to stay down too long. So you want to get in at a good level. And also I want to add one thing. Historically, the markets tend to move better at night while we sleep here in the U.S. in the West, rather. Asia, Dubai, Europe, they tend to do a lot more investing. America seems like they get up in the mornings and they see profits and they begin to take profits and the markets begin to sell off a little bit. So right now we're in the midst of a little sell off. We see TRX down 5%, lit down 5%. So it looks like a discount. It may be discounting. I would hold off until this evening. I'm not going to be buying any tokens today. Um, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is still down. I think we looked at it the other day on the weekly, and let's see what we got here. Oh yes, this continue to still work toward this region. So right now, altcoins are still in full force. Uh, Altcoins are still in full force. So um, I wouldn't be looking to buy too much Bitcoin right now. It's kind of risky. We're in the middle of a pullback. I mean, a correction, and also here, this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. We're on the weekly chart. Let me move all this excess out the way. Okay, it went to the one round of 1.14 trillion, and it rejected that region. Let's look at it on the day. Yeah, we had a good bounce here, and then we went up over the last few hours. Now we seem to maybe having a little correction, um, or a pullback rather. That doesn't mean that the market is going back, but I think it may go back to retest the 1.14 trillion, or it may continue to pounce. It's going look like it's going right here at least to the 382 1.32 million billion trillion rather. Excuse me, 1.312 trillion, and if it may hold above that level, and then we can expect it to continue to rise. I'm expecting since the Bitcoin dominance is low and a lot of development is going on in the altcoins. I'm expecting a real bullish cycle here. This is probably going to be a historic run, so we can expect it to. I'm expecting it to hold here, which basically means. Let me see here. Let's see. Well, basically, what I'm thinking is that it's going to bounce here and it's going to go even higher to 1.6 trillion. So we can expect a slight dip. And so these tokens are going to be on sale the next day or two. So if there's anything that you're really looking into that really piques your interest, I would suggest you may look at getting into a buy sooner than later, at least by this evening or tomorrow morning. Uh, I don't expect it to be a huge pullback. Like I said, if it does pull back more, it may go back and retest. Let me see, can I get an annotate right here? A mark right here. Hold on just a second, y'all. All right. If it does, we could expect it to go here at the most, and go back and then go and then go and go. So we're either gonna have it here, go here, or bounce and go. It's gonna be one of the two. I'm not 100% certain, but I believe so. I believe so. I believe we're gonna have a little just dip, a little cooling, and then it's gonna go. So we either have here or there. That's the total market cap. That means the money in the market. The money is still flowing in the market. We are still at a all-time high region. It's never been this high before in the altcoin. So we can expect this thing to continue to move toward 2 trillion. That's what I'm expecting. So I don't have any specific tokens that I'm going to be looking at right now. I have a couple that I'm interested in, but I'm not going to share right now. But we just doing what the market is doing. Was looking at what the market is doing. So y'all hang tight, and we'll be doing another video either this evening or tomorrow morning. Happy trading.